If we talk about PC Jewelers, it's a well understood story. We had a Titan running up. So how this whole story maps up? Just understand, we had Titan which rallied from 600, maybe 500 to 800, 8.5, 900. PC Jewelers was lagging behind. So where is the area? I mean, to make money for a short term bets. The area is to get the sectors rolling, all those sectors which are performing. So operator money or the market makers, they just try to pick up a sector which is rolling on. So in a Titan, I mean in a jewelry, gems and jewelry, Titan is a leader, followed by PC Jewelers or Tribune Das, maybe a few others. So we have to pick a stock which is in this segment. The second best stock was PC Jewelers. So that was rolling at 360, 370, wherein we started, getting a long-term bets, and that was where the books got funded. It was 370. I was eyeing it for some greater levels on a technical chart basis because a screen usually gets hot before well on time. And I'll just show you that why I actually reacted on this stock. Okay, so I have actually done some calculation. Just okay. So this was the chart, and I was actually standing. I'll just give it just a second. Okay, I have to remove this performance. And okay, this is the chart for you. And this is the area wherein we were focusing on. I was actually looking for a breakout, and there were huge volumes at the bottom. Delivery picks were there, and on MA series, on RSI or oscillators were giving a good bit at the bottom, and that was the crack we bought. Okay, this is the time wherein operator has already collected what was available in the market. Now what they want is they want a brand to promote something. Okay, they want somebody to get in. So anything, that was the time. I'm not name it, but it was uh, you know uh, well being picked by some well-known brand, a broker who just published its report, and that was a breakout, first breakout. Broker has given that funding books, and this went way up to 600. So what was that? All of a sudden you kicked in from 400 rupees to 600 rupees. And if you take it on a monthly channel, I'll explain you. Just see how rubbish the Indian market, how rubbish is the play, that usually uh, a trap is well built for retailers only. They Why they don't make money? The reason is the rally. Okay, so this was the area. The collection was done at 300 sub points, and this is the area which got rallied. And just see, within a month, the kind of volume. This was the collected volume at the bottom, and this was the volume which was sold into. Okay, so maybe this was the point. It hit and it distributed. Since they have distributed double, it's an FNO stock. Just understand, they have picked FNO, they have picked cash, they moved it to the point wherein they stayed there for a particular period. They distributed. They have got that fresh position on a shorting side as well, and they sold the delivery like anything. It was a panic. It was a panic which they created, and all the funding books were sold. Reason being, thanks to the government that said the 10% will be taxed on. So there was no point to keep carrying the script, which has no logic, which has no fundamental base to go on, and that is where the broker books cracked, and people who were carrying, they cracked, and we made a low of 217, 218, which was well before sometime like 2 3 years back. Okay, so this whole euphoria was a bubble created. You actually take a name lending of a person who can promote it and you can rely on it, and that's how this structure was built. Money was made only by a promoter, by an operator, or maybe some well-known insiders. The money given is by the broker who promoted, because I mean maybe promoter got some fee, broker must have got some fees to promote it, but yes, he got involved in it and they made money. all those professionals must have made their money because they got at the point. You can see, just it's a point of investment in 278. If I'll make it, you just see the support point area. Okay, so 220, 210, any blind can make it money. Next resistance was 305, 8, it broke, and this was the area 360. I have drawn this trend line because I was trading this and I was expecting a move till 360. Although it went up to 410 even, but again it slide down. So at present the value stands out to be 360, and if it comes down, I'm just opening a opportunity all those who wanted to trade this. So this is the line wherein we can enter again. So 305, 304, 3010, 308. This is the area, if anyone wants to make that fresh trade, they can trade in for the 10, 20, 30 rupees. So now this story is
Sir,
all over. Everybody has distributed the stock. I don't see any fundamental value in these kind of moves. These are all mid cap stocks. Okay, maybe lower than mid cap. It's all. I calculate this as a volatile scripts. I do play in these scripts because it gives me a faster opportunity to make the money. Okay, I got that 25% in first 2 hours. I was happy because I don't get that 25% even 6 months or maybe 1 year coming down the line. So that's my
uh,
submission explaining the whole game. It's a whole funded books game which got actually got a matchstick light from the government, and all those stocks which were funded through brokers or some NBFCs, they got striked. So maybe for that matter, if you take it, even DLF fell from 215 to 200 and 250 to 210 at the bottom. So the scripts which are healthy, which have not fallen so much, maybe you can say that it's well controlled by institutions or mutual funds. But scripts which got a big sell-off, these are all controlled scripts, and you have to actually take care of it. So that's my
hello.
summation. Yeah, thank you on it, and I would open up for